What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. And if you're new to the channel and want to hit the subscribe button too, that would help me out immensely. Just want to say thank you everybody again for the continuous love and support and all the positive feedback on the new work VSKFs. In this video, I will be disassembling the other KF face. As you see in this one, I knocked this guy out about honestly 5 hours ago. Pretty easy. I let all the hardware soak in PV blasters since these are the original. Everything on the wheel, I don't know how old they are, but they were in pretty bad shape. So again, going to be refinishing these into either triple chrome or give everything a nice brushed finish. Going to hit up VR wheels for all my hardware, lips and barrels. Also, as you saw in the last video, I had some caliper clearance issues because the KF face is an A disc, which means it clears most standard calipers. On the Skyline, we are running the Type M, so 3/4 piston. So I hit up Part Shop Max and I purchased a 15mm bolt-on spacer from them. So that should definitely help us with our caliper clearance issues. And then also in 5 days on Monday, I will be receiving the SSR Minerva faces, which I'm incredibly stoked to get. Crossing my fingers that they are SL disc, which means super low, so I can run an even fatter lip, but I will settle for a low disc. Hopefully they're not standard disc, because then that really limits the size of the lip I can run in the rear, but crossing my fingers, they're a low disc. Also today, I picked up my custom-made side splitter for the BN side skirts. A huge shout out to Gorilla Splitters, local here in Tucson, Arizona, for hooking me up with these. They took great care of me. It's a like father-son kind of local business that they do. Not only do they make splitters, they make like diffusers. They can make a splitter for the rear bumper, and also they can make front diffusers, front splitters. As long as you give them your dimensions, you'll be taken care of. So just gave them width and length, and they gave me this pretty high quality plastic. For this, I'm just going to self-tap it into the very clean side skirt, just using standard hardware. Gave you some notes too, place every 7 to 8 inches, which seems about right. I don't want to drill a bunch into the side skirts, so I'll probably just do like 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, and then 2 in the back end. So this is how I have the side splitter mocked up. Just wanted to protrude out ever so slightly, about 1.5 inches. Honestly, fitment all around is pretty good. Take a look there. But the way the BN side skirt is, it does kind of arch a little bit, but that is okay. This won't be seen. I was honestly thinking about painting these white too, because that would just honestly enhance the look of the Skyline, because we always go with the white wheels with the fresh, say, eye-catching color. Maybe in another build we'll do that, because once these are mounted, they are not coming off. So I just supplied some 5/16 self-tapper screw heads. Used a 5/16 adapter so they sit flush. And here we go. 2 up front, 2 towards the middle, another 2 towards the middle, and then 2 on the rear side. Not bad. I'm just again doing it for the protection of the bottom of the side skirt, and also style. It's a little bit heavier now, but no worries. Looks good though. Let's go mock up the Japanese passenger side. Okay. Protection, check. Style, check. Aggressive fitment, check. That gloss black, guys, that actually has a pretty nice touch on me, I'm not going to lie. Pretty sturdy all the way around. Now I can probably bolt these in and hopefully get out the driveway without breaking them. Maybe, don't know, but In terms of lowness, yeah, a little bit lower, but nothing extraordinary, but looks really good. Again, Gorilla splitters, hit them up for all your splitter needs. Just got the driver's side skirt done. Splitter looks amazing on this side as well. Did my absolute best to match how much it protrudes out, and I think I did a pretty good job. Nice and aggressive. I think I will hit them up in the very near future to make one for the bumper. That would be sweet, and I think that'd be even more aggressive also. Now it is time to disassemble this wheel. So first what we'll do is break all the bolts free. Work uses Torx. They are going to be T40 size. And then the nuts on the back are all going to be 10 millimeters. All right, after a good 15 minutes of stomping on this thing, I finally got the face out. It was pretty much seasoned there. Again, don't know how long or when these wheels were made, but oh, this one here, you can tell this how badly it looks, how stuck it was. What I ended up doing was just getting some propane, like a torch pretty much, and just heating up each of the 5 corners so it was pretty hot, so the aluminum expanded, and then I just went ahead and kicked it out. So it is the next 3 or 5 days or so. Told you that I ordered some 15mm spacers from Part Shop Max, and they came. See if they fit, and they do. Now I'm going to test and see how much more clearance I have from the Type M caliper. All right, so I have the wheel spacer bolted on to the hub, fits as it should. Now we can mount the face and hopefully see that it mounts as it should. So we have the wheel face now mounted up, and we have plenty of clearance to the caliper. Probably more than enough than I need. I'm gonna put the barrel and lip on and see, kind of calculate what size lip I could run. All right, so we have the lip and barrel mounted back up, kind of half-ass, but in terms of fitment, I'm pretty sure I can get away with a 4-inch lip, since right now this is a 2.5. I think all that's missing now is some PBM Sumimoto rebuilt calipers, so everything matches in gold with the gold. So just because I was curious, I left these 15mm spacer on with the work Kiwamis on. These are 18 by 9.5 with a positive 12 offset. So these would be 18 by 9.5 minus 3 offset. And that poke is crazy. And then we have the original side, which is pretty sunk for clearance. I'm not gonna run this setup, but I was just curious on how it would look. All right, so I want to say thank you everybody again for the continued support, and thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Incredibly stoked to be building the KFs, and also the Minervas will be here in 2 days, which I'm incredibly stoked for. Probably will film that if I have other content lined up for the Skyline, but if not, follow me on Instagram to get the full effect. But thank you everybody again for the continuous love and support. And if you're new to the channel and wanted to subscribe button too, it'd be awesome. And remember, aim high, drive low. We'll catch you next video. Take care.